Stop shaking your leg. It's embarrassing. You look like a kindergartner on Red Bull. Shaking at the speed of 2 shakes per second is unusual, even for you. So get it together. The thought of turning back, just to catch a glimpse of the eyes that would reflect my lack of self-control, came to mind 8 times in the past 40 minutes. Once every 5. Stop. Just focus on math. You like math. But you also like him to the power of 6. He keeps consuming 90% of my focus. Well, you need to think of something else. You know that idea works like using feathers for chainmail. Well, you should devote at least 50% of your attention into that parabola homework. But why does 100% of me turn red whenever he brushes past me to go ask the teacher a question? The only question I have for you is, why did you have to make me fall in love with the way you smile with your eyes closed, the way you puff your cheeks when you're annoyed that your friend stole your hat, the way you look like you don't know what's going on half the time while goofing off with your friends? Something about arguing that all the monkeys in the world can defeat Thanos? Well, yeah, that's a no-brainer. 1, 2, square root of 9 times you have entered my thoughts in the past 15 minutes. Ever since I knocked my clarinet running into you, my mind has been like a running tape recorder, catching frames to understand you like I do with factoring. Frames with factors of you ever so slightly rising the corners of your mouth are the ones that would have me mistaken for a perfectly ripe tomato, wondering what it would be like to have my own personal stamp of your lips on my cheek. I guess I hate him. Hate that he makes me so nervous that I sweat through every shirt that I own. Hate that instead of solving math problems, my head is only filled with ideas on how to say I like you without sounding like a stupid, stuttering simp. Hate that is the one problem I can think of, the one problem I can't solve. Most of all, I hate that you were the first person to make me want to wake up in the morning, even if I had French that day, the first person to make me care about how the waves in my hair looked. Would rather you not mistake me for a homeless person with that bird's nest taking up a third of my hair. Hate that you're the first person to make me take the longer route, even if I'm late to class. You're the first person I've cared about. Having a crush is fun. It's crushing me.